30% discount. Okay po, 30% discount for 8.7. Di ko lang babayaran. It means they have a 38%. Then, lastly, of course, it will show you kanyang final answer. This one, this one, this one. So, let's try. I haven't tried it, actually. Let's try mo na to. Have yet to. Wait, so let me fix this one. So, let me fix to 0. So, 18, 5, should right there. Assign value. So, kung ano yung baseless value niya, yun yung kanyang kukunin. As well dito, single. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Still no, right? Okay. Okay, now I understand. I will check the problem again. Sabi, part 4. It is 4, age 4. Less than, no equal 5. Okay? I missed that one. So it means, okay yung code. Okay po. 0, right? 0. 3, right? Okay, then let's proceed. Next one. So, for this part, GPA to letter grade converter. As the user, convert it to float. And next one, this one, our condition. So, first, kapag 3.6 and less than po siya or equal dun sa GPA na inilagay ng user, then, so, hanggang 4.0, it would show po na it is A. Then, same as well doon sa condition ng B, C, D, and F. It would show kapag po ay na-meet nila yung ranges na ito sa bawat condition. Otherwise, it is an F po. So, let's try. Zero. F. 4. A. As you can see, it is working. So, let's proceed to the next one. So, ATM withdrawal validator po. Okay. For this ATM withdrawal validator, of course, yung amount will ask the user, and then yung exceed yung limit. It has a limitation. Ito po. Reset yung ating limitation. It should not be, or it should greater than 20,000 peso. If it's greater than that, then it would display po yung exceeds limit. Then if amount or modulo of 100, that is not equal to 0. So, or in other words po, if yung amount po is not divisible by 100 po, otherwise, it would show invalid amount. Otherwise, it will show, okay, transaction successful. So, let's try. Let's try that. First, okay, fix limit. 1,000. Invalid amount kasi not divisible by 100. Let's try successful. Successful. So, next one. Okay, part 5. So, for the next one, that would be on cafe ordering system. So, this will be the last 3 parts of for this tutorial po. So, cafe order system. So, first it would ask the user for input yung kanilang choice. Then, log in or take out. So, for this, we will use match according to the condition po no problem. So, first, yung coffee. First choice, coffee was 50, tea 40, juice 60, water is 220. Otherwise, if wala sa pagpipilian, invalid. Okay po. So, ngayon, if meron pang condition, it shows dine in or take out. If it's take out, meron plus 5 na bayad. So, much better na mag-dine in ka na lang. So, that's a joke po. And that's a joke. So, let us try. Water lang tayo. Take out. So, as you can see, no problem. Why? It did not add. Why? Hindi ganito yung pagkakatype. So, let me try again. Right there. So, as you can see, it is a case sensitive. So, para maiwasan ito, we should also input or lalagay yung mismong paano siya i-type. And kapag may ganyan, pwedeng gawin ng user ng all caps lock, then we could program it na for small caps only. Okay, lower. The next. And now, radio marks with match or sa pamagitan ng paggamit ng match naman. So, ayan, pipili. A, B, C, D, F. E, excellent. B, very good. C, good. D, fair. F, failed. Otherwise, invalid create. Ito yung mga pagpipilian niya. And ito yung kanilang value na lalabas dapat na dapat na may display. So, let's try this Python program. Ito no. Wala daw. Wala. Bakit? Kasi wala naman. It indicates all capital. Again, as you can see, as I said earlier, it is case sensitive. That's like, ouch. So, let's try naman ng maging masaya. Okay. And as you can see, it is random. So, next one. So, on this part, the last part is a currency converter. In a currency converter, you can see this will ask for the user or the currency and the amount. Yan. We'll use float dito sa una. Currency, pili siya dito. Yan. So, we will use as well yung match or yung part 5 ay condition ay dapat magamit ng match. Okay? So, ayan, USD for 56, Euro, EUR, para sa Euro, 60. Actually, I'm not familiar. JPY. I don't know which country this one. 4.0, PHP, so no, Philippines. Otherwise, invalid. And this is 1 hour formula to convert it sa ano? Philippine peso. Ayan, Philippine peso. Converter nga. Converter, Philippine peso. Let's say. Stop and rerun. Oh. Ito. Ano natin? PHP. 3. Kasi, anong value ba niya? 1 peso. Okay? Euro. 4. Laki, no? Kasi value niya, 60. wait only. Bakit naging ganyan? Ayan, should be 60 times 4. Gawa na ang value niya is 60. Should be 4. Ganda ka nilagay. Then should be 240. Nakasabi 240. So, that's all. That's all. I hope that you have learned for this book. Although, and as well, this is only for our activity. And if you have any comments or question, please do input na lang po sa comment or if we're the part for this part. Eh, if you can comment po yung if there is something na kailangan ng improvement. Actually, there are many, right po. So, that's all po. Thank you for listening.